Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial of Filmora basic video editing skills, we will learn how to alter the speed of your video. Let's begin the tutorial. You need a video in your timeline which I already have over here. Let's play it. These are the timestamp which I just have created. I want to alter the speed of a video clip in this video. How will I do this? I want to alter the speed. I will select a clip by pressing the scissor sign and here. Now this is the clip of which I want to change the speed. Select this clip. There is a small icon for speed over here. Press it. I want to speed up. Go to this tab and let's say I fast and I choose this. How to write the timestamps. Let's play it. Here I will let you know how to write the timestamps. So the speed has been increased. Let's try other option. Select the clip, go to the speed. Now slow it to zero point 0.5. Play it. Will let you know how to write the timestamps. Open this video and find out its timing. You may have observed that there is a small banner which shows you that this particular clip of the video has been slowed down in the speed of zero point 0.5. Select the video clip. Let me customize this tip. Click on that button, customize the speed, and I want it to select this. Press OK, and it's very small. And I customize it to this. Press OK. How to write the timestamps. Open this video and find out its timings. There is a small banner, fast 2.72. If I want to alter the speed of this particular clip, I will select it, go to the speed and customize the speed. Let's say I make it 12 times. Let's play it. Right now you can see that there is. So in this way, you can alter the speed of the videos. In the next video tutorial of this series, you will learn color corrections and use of filters. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification timely so that you cannot miss out any of the new video of this series. I will share the link of the playlist in the description also. You can have a look of other videos too. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.